In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks from template in Asana. If you repeat the same checklist across tasks, using a template to drop in subtasks will save you time and keep your process consistent. Let's walk through it clearly so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by opening the task where you want the subtasks to appear. From your project, click the task title to open the task details pane on the right. This is where you'll manage everything for that task, including its subtasks and any templates you apply. Next, locate the subtasks area. You can click the small list icon near the top of the task pane to jump directly to subtasks, or simply scroll down until you see the subtask section. Opening or viewing this section helps you confirm the subtasks will land in the right place inside this task. Now look to the top right of the task pane and click Customize. This opens the customization panel for the tasks project. Think of it as your control center for structured, repeatable workflows. If you don't see it at first, make sure the task pane is fully expanded or check that you have the right permissions for the project. Inside the Customize panel, click the plus button labeled Add, then choose Task Template. This is where you connect your task to a predefined template your team has set up. Select the task template that already contains the subtasks you want to reuse. As soon as you select it, Asana will bring those subtasks into your open task, preserving their order and any default details included in the template, such as names or descriptions you've standardized. Take a moment to review what was added under the subtask section. You'll see the full checklist from the template appear instantly. You can adjust the order, refine titles, or update any fields to match the specifics of this task. If your team manages owners and due dates at the subtask level, now is a good time to assign them so work moves forward smoothly. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your templates concise and clearly named so everyone picks the right one every time. If you don't see any templates in the list, it likely means none have been set up for this project yet, and you may want to coordinate with your admin or project lead to create them. That's it. You've opened your task, surfaced the subtask area, used Customize, and added a task template to populate your subtasks in seconds.